Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, November 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, November 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 6, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, November 6, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 6, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, November 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.